today video is all about brooches, and I want to show you how to use them in a very special way, especially when you want to fix some kind of dresses and look cool with a piece of unique accessories. So this is the first one. This is vintage. I really love this Victorian style unique piece of brooch. I found this beauty in a local market in Oslo. We have this vintage one. I am in love with that. And this beautiful cockroach. Look at this cockroach with the giant crystal, green crystal. This is for insect lover, and this also has a vintage vibe. Can you see? This is cute. I believe this is cool idea. Then we have this okay. This one is a little bit more modern, more bling bling, crystal, bee, for the bee lovers. We have the bee. Look at the bee. We have some small pieces if you are an art lover. This is a palette of colors with the brushes. I do painting. I always love every symbol and pieces of jewelry that relate to art. This is very cool. The palette. I have some pins. The portrait of Vangok. Look at this. The portrait of Vangok. If you want to look artistic, you can even add more if you want, especially these type of pins. The Vangok and his sunflower painting. Or you can have only one. We have the sun. And I am very much obsessed with the cassette tape. Look at this. I also painted some cassette tape. This is very cool. Let me know in a comment below which one was your favorite one. Do you like most vintage style, or you like modern vibe, and or you are an artist and you like artistic type of pins? I would love to know more, and let me know what type of video you want me to share from my entire collection. And don't forget to watch my other videos I made specifically for bee, brooches, and other jewelry pieces of bee. So till next week, so much love is always here. Bye.